In this week's video, I want to introduce you to an exciting program that is just entered its second cycle. The program's name is 929, which is a reference to the number of chapters within the Tanakh. There is 929 chapters within the Tanakh. You see, there is very few people out there that have actually read the entire Tanakh chapter by chapter. And this initiative that has been launched is so that people would be able to finish the entire Tanakh in 3.5 years. This is very similar to something else that many Orthodox Jews do, which is studying a page of the Talmud every single day. This is called in Hebrew Daf Yomi. Daf being page and Yomi being day. And so if you join, like myself, this 929 program, then you will be able to finish the entire Tanakh in 3.5 years. The way the program works is that you study 5 chapters a week. Now, what I'm personally doing is I am studying the chapter of the day and then looking at commentary and the midrashim from that specific chapter, because a chapter is not a lot to learn a day. I hope you will all join me. We are currently on chapter 19 of Bereshit or Genesis. And so if you're only just hearing about this great program, I would all encourage you to join it. It's absolutely free and you can find all the commentaries and the midrashim on Sefaria, which is what I personally am using in this 929 program. And in this video, I will include some screenshots of the app on my phone. It works on Android as well as on Apple. There's even a website if you don't have a smartphone for some odd reason. I hope that we will all continue to learn the Tanakh together and that we may benefit from its great rewards. Okay guys, so this is a screenshot of my phone. This is the 929 application that you can find in the App Store or the Play Store, whatever you are using. And it opens up in full Hebrew. But don't worry, at the top right hand corner, you press that 3 bars and it will open up a drop down menu. And there at the bottom you will see EN for English. You will press on that and then it will open up the application for you. And there you go, you're in. And then at the top is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. That's the chapters that you need to do every day. And that's it. I hope you all have a great Shabbat. May you continue to be blessed in everything that you do. Shabbat Shalom.
Mashiach.